Hello and welcome friends. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Today we will discuss the new syllabus, revised syllabus by CBSE. आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि रिवाइज सिलेबस क्या है CBSE का इस साल के लिए 2020-2021 के लिए, क्योंकि पेंडेमिक के कारण जो कोविड-19 है उसके कारण क्लासेस नहीं हुए स्कूल में काफ़ी दिनों तक, तो CBSE ने सिलेबस को थोड़ा रिड्यूस कर दिया है फ्रॉम क्लास 9 to 12. सो हम लोग देखेंगे कि फ्रॉम 9 to 12 क्या सिलेबस कम किया गया है, और यहाँ पर आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि वो क्या है. तो एज पर द लीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर टाइम्स नाउ न्यूज़ के अनुसार उन्होंने कहा है कि रिवाइज सिलेबस ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स क्लासेस 9 to 12 हैव बीन रिलीज्ड. सो HRD मिनिस्टर ऑफिशियली अनाउंस्ड द सेम. डाउनलोड द रिवाइज सिलेबस फ्रॉम द लिंक बिलो. तो फ्रॉम 9 to 12 सभी चैप्टर्स का नया सिलेबस आ गया है, और वही सिलेबस तो सेम है लेकिन कुछ पोर्शन उसका डिलीट कर दिया गया है. फ्रॉम क्लासेस 9 to 12 अप्रॉक्स 30% ऑफ द सिलेबस हैज़ बीन रिड्यूस्ड. तो देखते हैं कि क्लास 9 का इंग्लिश में क्या क्या पोर्शन डिलीट हुआ है. तो रिलेटेड पोर्शन है द लेक आइसल ऑफ इनिसफ्री, द स्नेक एंड द मिरर, द डक एंड द कंगारू, काठमांडू, A slumber did my spirit sail. ये सब चैप्टर्स नहीं है. एंड मोमेंट्स विच इज सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर. द रिलेटेड पोर्शन इज ईश्वरन द स्टोरी टेलर, द एक्सीडेंटल टूरिस्ट. दीज आर द पोर्शंस दैट हैज बीन डिलीटेड फॉर दिस ईयर 2020-21. And from class 10 the deleted portions are from the textbook English, saying the English textbook. So the textbook is first, or deleted portions are how to tell wild animals, trees, fog, Mitchell the otter, for Annie Gregory, and footprints without feet is a supplementary reader for class 10. The deleted portions are the midnight visitor, a question of trust, the book that saved the earth, and word and expression. So okay, deleted portion is up to here, and some guidelines are there. You can download from the link which I will give in the description, and you can go through this page completely. So for class 9 and 10, now coming to the mathematics. So some portions are revised in mathematics also. So you can see and scroll down, and from various chapters the marking schemes are here. Total marks 80, and number systems 6, algebra 20, coordinate geometry 6, geometry 15, trigonometry 12, mensuration 10, statistics and probability 11. Total 80 marks, and it has written the complete revised syllabus here. So it has not deleted particular chapters or particular portions, but this will include the syllabus what is to be taught on these subjects or on these chapters. So it was for class 9, and now here it is for class 10. That was for class 10 itself, and on the top it is for class 9. It is for both. The PDF contains both class 9 and 10, the revised portion, and this PDF will show you the marking scheme of class 9. As you can see, number system, algebra, coordinate geometry, geometry, mensuration, statistics and probability. Total marks 80. So it discusses individual chapters what is to be covered, and it doesn't say what is deleted because there are not any specific topic that has been omitted. It is like from the within the syllabus what is to be covered, it has been given here. So please check with your school teachers also, so that can guide you in the best way how to cover this syllabus. So for class 9 and 10 the portions are here. Next is class 9 and 10 science. Okay, again science, you can see it has given all the marking schemes and the chapter and syllabus portions that is to be covered this year. And for 9, and now for class 10 is here in the same PDF. 9 and 10 is in the same PDF. So you have it here. And class 9 and 10 social science, the revised version is here, marking scheme and the whatever is here you can cover. And please check with your teachers. I am saying again and again, because the best thing is to discuss with your school teacher, because they will have all the updated information and they are the one who will guide you towards completion of these chapters. And you can still download the PDF from the link in the description. Okay, and for class 11 and 12 it is here. So it is for biology, you can see. And for class 12 it is here. Then comes chemistry, again for both class 11 and class 12. You will have the detailed syllabus, the revised syllabus here. Here it starts for class 12. Then comes physics. Okay, it is in the same PDF for both class 11 and class 12. I am just scrolling to see if the informations are there, so that you can directly reach the link and note it. And then revised syllabus for mathematics. So mathematics also class 11 is here. And always remember, this is only for this academic year. It is mentioned 2020 and 21. So this syllabus is specific for this current session, 2020 to 2021. So mathematics, so I have taken these syllabus with me, so I am providing you it here. But if you want more subjects, like many people do arts, commerce, so the links are there and you can download the respective PDF from that link. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.